Hey there, is your iPhone's hotspot refusing to turn on when you need it the most? I know how frustrating that can be, especially when you're trying to share your internet. But don't stress, in this video I'll walk you through some easy step-by-step solutions to troubleshoot and fix the issue. Let's get started. Solution 1. Check your cellular data. First, let's make sure your cellular data is active. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Tap on Mobile Service and check that mobile data is switched on. Next, scroll down and tap Personal Hotspot to ensure it's toggled on. If it's already on, turn it off, wait a moment and turn it back on. If the Personal Hotspot option is missing, you'll need to contact your carrier to verify that your plan supports hotspot usage. Solution 2. Toggle Airplane Mode. This quick trick can refresh your connection. Swipe down from the upper right corner of your screen to open the control center. Tap the airplane mode icon to turn it on. Wait a few seconds. Then, tap the airplane mode icon again to turn it off. Now, head back to your settings and try enabling your personal hotspot again. Solution 3. Reset network settings. If the issue persists, try resetting your network settings. Open the Settings app and go to General. Scroll down and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Then, tap Reset and choose Reset Network Settings. Enter your passcode if prompted. Then confirm by tapping Reset Network Settings. Your iPhone will restart automatically. After that, go back to Settings, tap Cellular, then Personal Hotspot, and try turning it on again. Solution 4. Update carrier and software settings. Keeping your phone updated can resolve compatibility issues. Open Settings and go to General. Tap About. If a carrier settings update is available, a prompt will appear to update it. If you don't see a prompt, go back to General and select Software Update. If an update is available, tap Download and Install. Once the update is complete, restart your iPhone and try enabling the personal hotspot again. Solution 5. Contact your carrier. If nothing works, it could be a problem with your carrier. Contact them to check if your plan includes hotspot usage and to confirm there are no service outages affecting your area. And that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to get your iPhone's hotspot up and running again. If this guide helped you out, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tech tips and solutions. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.